The H1B Guy here, and today, the H1B Guy forecasts August 2024 Visa Bulletin employment based predictions. I'm a little late in getting this out, but it's time for my monthly Visa Bulletin predictions. But before we get started, I'd like to ask you if you haven't already to please subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube and like this video so that I can continue to produce more content like this for you. I also wanted to mention that H1B Guy offers a variety of consulting services. I help businesses and individuals solve complex work authorization issues in the recruitment process while bringing awareness to employment based immigration benefits. If I can help you, please reach out. I'd love to hear how. And you can book an appointment directly with me via the h1bguy.com. Today's post is brought to you by Syndesis, the ideal plan B for high skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain. By PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process. And by Mob Squad. Are you a technology professional facing U.S. work visa related challenges? Don't leave your fate to chance. Our partner, Mob Squad, has a solution. Join the squad. Well, thanks to everyone who checked out the H1B Guy forecasts, July 2024 Visa Bulletin employment based predictions that posted on June 3rd, and the H1B Guy grades, July 2024 Visa Bulletin predictions versus the actual bulletin released that posted on June 15th, where I reviewed my July forecast. If you're new to this channel, I cover employment based immigration benefits, including my monthly Visa Bulletin predictions. Last month, I graded out at 26%, 7 out of 27. I'll continue to use the bulletin from 6 months prior as well as last month's bulletin to identify if there were any noticeable trends, starting with the July 2024 Visa Bulletin's number of days of forward movement month over month and the number of days of forward movement for the last 6 months from the February 2024 Visa Bulletin. So let's jump into the results from the July 2024 Visa Bulletin, starting with final election dates for India and EB1, February 1st, 2022, 337 days of forward movement month over month, 518 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB2, June 15th, 2012, 61 days of forward movement month over month, 106 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3, September 22nd, 2012, 31 days of forward movement month over month, 83 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. Final election dates for China in EB1, November 1st, 2022, 61 days of forward movement month over month, 123 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB2, March 1st, 2020, 29 days of forward movement month over month, 60 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3, September 1st, 2020, no forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. Final election dates for Philippines in EB2, March 15th, 2023, 59 days of forward movement month over month, 120 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3 other workers, May 1st, 2020, no forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. For final election dates for all chargeability EB2, March 15th, 2023, 59 days of forward movement month over month, 120 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3, December 1st, 2021, 356 days of retrogression month over month, 274 days of retrogression in the last 6 months. For EB3 other workers, January 1st, 2021, 85 days of forward movement month over month, 122 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB4, January 1st, 2021, 61 days of forward movement month over month, 597 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. And for final election dates for Mexico in EB4, January 1st, 2021, 61 days of forward movement month over month, 597 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. Moving on to dates of filing for India in EB1, February 8th, 2022. 313 days of forward movement month over month, 403 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB2, June 22nd, 2012, 38 days of forward movement month over month, 38 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3, October 1st, 2012, 16 days of forward movement month over month, 61 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. 4 dates filing for China in EB1, January 1st, 2023, no forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. EB2, June 1st, 2020, no forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. And EB3, July 1st, 2021, no forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. For dates of filing for Philippines in EB2, March 22nd, 2023, 35 days of forward movement month over month, 35 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3 other workers, May 15th, 2020, no forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. Dates filing for all chargeability EB2, March 22nd, 2023, 35 days of forward movement month over month, 35 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. For EB3, February 1st, 2023, no forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. And EB3 other workers, January 8th, 2021, 24 days of forward movement month over month, 24 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB4, February 1st, 2021, 62 days of forward movement month over month, 519 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. And for dates of filing for EB4, February 1st, 2021, 62 days of forward movement month over month, 519 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. So with all of that being said, let's forecast the August 2024 Visa Bulletin for employment-based preferences. Disclaimer, these dates are completely made-up guesses based on my own personal hunches and historical data. For the August 2024 Visa Bulletin, the H1B Guy forecasts final election dates for India in EB1, May 1st, 2022, EB2, June 15th, 2012, EB3, September 22nd, 2012. For final election dates for China in EB1, December 1st, 2022, EB2, April 1st, 2020, EB3, October 1st, 2020. For final election dates for Philippines in EB2, April 15th, 2023, EB3 other workers, May 1st, 2020. For final election dates for all chargeability in EB2, April 15th, 2023, EB3, December 1st, 2021, EB3 other workers, January 1st, 2021, and EB4, February 1st, 2021. And for final election dates for Mexico in EB4, February 1st, 2021. Moving on to dates of filing for the August 2024 Visa Bulletin, forecast in India in EB1, May 8th, 2022, EB2, June 22nd, 2012, EB3, October 1st, 2012. For dates filing for China in EB1, January 1st, 2023, EB2, June 1st, 2020, EB3, July 1st, 2021. For dates filing for Philippines in EB2, May 22nd, 2023, EB3 other workers, May 15th, 2020. For dates filing for all chargeability EB2, May 22nd, 2023, EB3, February 1st, 2023, EB3 other workers, January 8th, 2021, EB4, March 1st, 2021, and for dates filing for Mexico in EB4, March 1st, 2021. So to recap, I'm forecasting approximately 1 month of forward movement across India and China EB1, China EB2 and EB3, and all chargeability EB2 and EB4. Now it's time to forecast the release date of the August 2024 Visa Bulletin. I'm predicting Wednesday, July 10th, 2024 as the release date of the August 2024 Visa Bulletin, with Thursday, July 11th, 2024, and Friday, July 12th, 2024 as my second and third options. So recapping those release dates again, Wednesday, July 10th, 2024, Thursday, July 11th, 2024, and Friday, July 12th, 2024. Once the August 2024 Visa Bulletin is released, I'll put together the H1B Guy grades to see how I did with this month's predictions. For the full post on the H1B Guy forecasts, August 2024 Visa Bulletin employment-based predictions, please check out the h1bguy.com. And a reminder that today's post is brought to you by Syndesus, the ideal plan B for high skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain. If you're facing an H-1B denial or OPT expiration, don't get caught off guard. Make sure you have a plan B, and Syndesus is your answer. They'll gladly help you navigate the process. And if you'd like to find out if you qualify, please be sure to use the link in the video description below, and someone from Syndesus will be in touch. By PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process. If you're looking to reduce your cost and overhead associated with PERM labor certification recruitment advertising, let PERM-Ads.com help you. And by Mob Squad. Are you a technology professional facing U.S. work visa-related challenges? Don't leave your fate up to chance. Our partner Mob Squad has the solution. Mob Squad helps technology professionals facing U.S. work visa-related uncertainty remain working with their current U.S. employer, nearshore from Canada, as well as technology professionals from around the world who are seeking to find a rewarding opportunity in North America. Through their partnership with the Canadian government, they can obtain a Canadian work permit for you and your spouse in as little as 4 to 6 weeks. So whether you're looking to stay working with your current U.S. employer or you want to find a new opportunity in Canada, please find out how the team at Mob Squad can help you via the link in the video description below. Join the squad. Just wanted to ask you again to please like this video, subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube, and click the bell for notifications so that you're notified anytime we post new content here to this channel. If you've made it this far, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Really appreciate your support. The H1B Guy, your global source for all things H1B.